Hey devils of Doctorate Gaming, how are you guys? Hope you're absolutely fine. So, as you know, I do hack of gaming for about 6 to 7 hours in a day. So, there is a heating issue going on in my laptop, especially in the summer. And I thought to get a cooling pad for a laptop. So, guys, today I'm going to unbox this ZINQ Technologies Cool Slate Zinq 5 fan laptop cooling pad. So, let's get started. So guys, this is a box. Let's open it. Okay. So what we got here, USB cable for powering this laptop cool pad, and this is a user manual that how we have to install it. Let's see it later. And this is the beast, guys. This is the beast. Let's open it. So guys, this is a laptop cooling pad. Here the branding of ZINQ Technologies over here, and there are 5 fans you can see. Now let's check out the port area. So here we got 2 USB ports and 2 fan controllers. So we need only one USB port to power it, and these 2 controllers are for, this one is for middle fan and this is for the rest of 4 fans. So guys, let's check out the back panel, that how it looks. So guys, this is the back panel. So over here there are 2 stoppers to increase the height of the laptop, and this is the laptop stopper so that it cannot slide. This we're going to install on the front side of the panel. So guys, let's see how to install it. So we have to eject it first, and this one is, I put it from the back side and we have to put it in the front so that it can hold the laptop and laptop cannot slide. So let's power it by this USB port, guys. So this is it, all done. So guys, this was my unboxing of cooling pad. Hope you liked it, and please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.